What Airbnb hosts should do. Based on our experience, 10 plus years, and solving many Airbnb challenges, we can highlight a few rules and guidelines that we advise you to follow. Actually, we have 8 years of Airbnb experience and 10 plus years in hospitality, to be precise. First of all, don't misrepresent your property. Don't overstate amenities or features that don't exist. That can lead to disappointment and negative reviews from your guests, meaning less money for you. Don't violate Airbnb policies. Violating them can result in account suspension or other penalties. Guess what? If you decide to steal from Airbnb direct clients, right, to avoid paying their commissions, guess what? They find a way to eliminate you from the platform. Make sure you're following the Airbnb rules and policies. Don't ignore guests. Respond to messages and inquiries promptly. Be available to answer questions or address issues that may arise during their stay. Don't neglect cleaning practices. That includes regular cleaning, and keep up with amenities such as bedding, towels, kitchen supplies, and everything else. Don't be inflexible. It can lead to negative reviews and may deter your future bookings. Don't invade guests' privacy. Avoid entering their rented space without permission or notice, and don't use security cameras in private spaces. I would encourage you, if you would like to install a security camera, install it outside of the property, or you can probably track who is coming in and who is coming out of the property, but make sure you don't install those cameras inside. In many cases, it's illegal and it's going to lead to very negative results. Don't discriminate. Discrimination against guests based on their race, gender, sexual orientation, or other personal characteristics is not allowed on Airbnb and can lead to account suspension. Treat all guests equally and with respect. I would add, treat all people equally and with respect. That's a rule of thumb, right? So again, you can send us a message, email. You're welcome. Below this video, you will find the description of our services, and our teams can help you with everything you might need as Airbnb hosts. Not only as Airbnb hosts, maybe you hosting on another platforms, right? So, and we can help you with all your needs, including building your online presence, helping you with website, booking engine, payment gates, and everything else. We can also help you with set up your Airbnb accounts and many other very interesting things. Check the description below this video. I strongly recommend that.